In this video, I would like to show you how to change the HEPA filter in the Scanovus Flow. First of all, when should you change the filter? You should change the filter when you notice that the suction power is a bit lower than usual, and we recommend that you change the filter after 3 to 6 months, depending on how much you've used it. When you change the filter, you need to take the container off first. We do this by clicking the 2 silver buttons on the handle, and then you have the container. You will notice that the filter is on top of the container. It's the black and white filter, and now you need to take it off. We just take the filter, turn it to the left, and we pull. And it's actually exactly the same when we need to place the new filter. We do exactly the same. This time we just turn right. The new filter will ensure that the suction power will be as good as new, so you are ready for many more effective cleaning duties.